What if I told you that eating just 2 boiled eggs at night for a week could completely transform your health? Sounds too simple, right? But trust me, the results will surprise you. From boosting metabolism to improving sleep and even aiding weight loss, boiled eggs pack a serious nutritional punch. But what exactly happens when you make them your nightly routine? In this video, we'll break down the science-backed benefits of eating boiled eggs at night, some of which might shock you. Stay tuned to the end, because you won't want to miss the life-changing perks of this simple habit. Nutritional profile of 2 boiled eggs. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin due to their dense nutrient composition. 2 boiled eggs provide a balanced combination of macronutrients and micronutrients that contribute to overall health. Macronutrients: calories, 140 kilocalories, protein, 12.6 g, fat, 9.7 g, saturated fat, 3.1 g, monounsaturated fat, 3.7 g, polyunsaturated fat, 2.0 g, carbohydrates, 1.1 g, sugar, 0.6 g, fiber, 0 g, vitamins, vitamin A, 270 IU, 5% DV, vitamin D, 82 IU, 21% DV, vitamin B2, riboflavin 0.5 mg, 38% DV, vitamin B12, 1.1 g, 46% DV, folate, 47 g, 12% DV, choline, 280 mg, 51% DV, minerals, calcium, 50 mg, 5% DV, iron, 1.2 mg, 7% DV, magnesium, 12 mg, 3% DV. Phosphorus, 190 mg, 19% DV, potassium, 126 mg, 4% DV, sodium, 124 mg, 5% DV, zinc, 1.1 mg, 10% DV, selenium, 28 g, 51% DV, other components, cholesterol, 372 mg, water, 75 g. This combination of nutrients makes boiled eggs an excellent food choice, but consuming them at night can lead to several surprising effects, both beneficial and potentially harmful. Shocking impacts on health. When you eat 2 boiled eggs at night for 1 week, promote muscle recovery and growth. Boiled eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. When you consume eggs before bed, your body gets a steady supply of amino acids, particularly leucine, which plays a key role in muscle synthesis. This makes eggs an excellent post-workout snack, especially if you exercise in the evening. Over a week, you may notice improved muscle tone, faster recovery from workouts, and reduced muscle soreness. Enhanced sleep quality. Eggs contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes the production of serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. Eating 2 boiled eggs at night may help improve sleep quality by making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who suffer from insomnia or disrupted sleep patterns. After a week of this habit, you may feel more rested and refreshed in the morning. Support weight loss and appetite control. Eggs are highly satiating due to their protein and healthy fat content, which can reduce late-night cravings and overall calorie intake. When consumed at night, they help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing hunger pangs that might lead to unhealthy snacking. Over a week, this can contribute to weight loss by reducing your overall calorie consumption and supporting fat metabolism. Improve brain function and cognitive health. Choline, a vital nutrient found in eggs, plays a significant role in brain function and neurotransmitter production. Eating boiled eggs at night ensures a steady supply of choline, which can enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. After a week, you may experience better mental clarity, improved concentration, and sharper recall. Boost metabolism and energy levels. The protein in eggs has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories to digest it compared to fats and carbohydrates. Consuming 2 boiled eggs at night can increase your metabolism, leading to higher energy expenditure even while you sleep. This can result in more energy during the day and improved physical performance over time. strengthen the immune system. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including selenium and vitamin D, which help strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of boiled eggs can enhance your body's ability to fight infections, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. After a week, you may notice fewer colds, faster healing, and a stronger immune response. Potential risk of increased cholesterol levels. While eggs are highly nutritious, they are also high in cholesterol. Eating 2 boiled eggs every night for a week may lead to increased cholesterol levels in some individuals, particularly those with a history of heart disease or high LDL, bad cholesterol. However, research suggests that dietary cholesterol does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people, so moderation is key. If you have concerns about heart health, it's best to consult a doctor before making eggs a nightly habit. May cause digestive issues in some people. Some individuals may experience bloating, gas, or indigestion when consuming eggs at night, particularly if they have a sensitive digestive system. Eggs can take longer to digest, and eating them close to bedtime may lead to discomfort or disrupted sleep. If you notice digestive issues, it may be beneficial to eat them earlier in the evening rather than right before bed. Improve hair and skin health. Boiled eggs are rich in biotin, vitamin A, vitamin E, and healthy fats, all of which contribute to glowing skin and strong, shiny hair. Biotin, in particular, plays a crucial role in hair growth and scalp health, preventing hair thinning and breakage. Additionally, the antioxidants in eggs help combat oxidative stress, which can accelerate aging. The combination of essential amino acids and vitamins found in eggs promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. If you consume 2 boiled eggs every night for a week, you may notice your skin becoming clearer, more radiant, and less prone to breakouts. Your hair may also feel thicker and stronger over time. Making this a great natural beauty booster may increase the risk of acid reflux and heartburn. For individuals prone to acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, eating eggs at night might not be the best idea. While eggs are not inherently acidic, they are rich in fats, which can slow digestion and potentially trigger reflux symptoms. Lying down soon after eating can worsen acid reflux, causing discomfort, heartburn, and disturbed sleep. If you already suffer from acid reflux, it's best to consume eggs at least a few hours before bedtime rather than immediately before sleeping. If you notice frequent episodes of heartburn after eating boiled eggs at night for a week, it may be a sign that your digestive system struggles with processing them before sleep. Consider eating them earlier in the evening or combining them with light, fiber-rich foods to aid digestion. Regulate blood sugar levels and reduces diabetes risk. Eggs have a low glycemic index and do not cause significant spikes in blood sugar, making them an excellent food choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. The high protein content in eggs helps slow down the absorption of glucose, preventing sudden sugar crashes and energy fluctuations. For individuals at risk of type 2 diabetes, consuming 2 boiled eggs at night for a week may contribute to better blood sugar control. The amino acids in eggs improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to process glucose more efficiently. However, it's important to consider how you pair eggs with other foods. Avoid consuming them with refined carbohydrates or processed foods, as this could counteract their blood sugar regulating benefits. Instead, pairing boiled eggs with fiber-rich vegetables can enhance their positive impact on metabolic health.